In this video, I'm going to show you how to see your activity on Google Gemini. And what we're going to do is we're going to open our Gemini app. And from here, we're going to click on the top right where you can see your initials. And right now it's an E for me. And from here, we are going to click on Gemini Apps Activity. And now we will be redirected to Google, to Internet. And in here, we see a couple of things. Right now we see that my account does not have any activity, but if you do have activity, you will see it in here. And you can basically choose if you want to turn this Gemini apps activity on or off. And as you can see, there is no activity for me to be shown. But let's say you do have activity in here and you, for example, want to delete this activity, then you need to scroll down a little bit. And in here you see delete. Then you're going to basically click on delete. And in here you see the options you have to delete your activity. You can delete your activity from last hour, last day, all time, or you can make a custom range. But let's say you want to delete activity from the last hour. You click on this and then you click on delete. And then at the bottom left, you see it is being deleted. And again, the deletion is complete. So that is basically how it works. That is how you see your activity on Google Gemini. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I see you in the next one.